In this training session, we're still busy with agent transactions, but I want to now show you the influence of this specific agent transaction. In other words, we're now going to go to customer or debtors inquiries. So I'm going to close here and I'm going to say debtors inquiries. And I'm going to double click on this specific account. I'm going to just select January because that's where I processed my invoice. And here you'll see it was invoice 35, invoice number 35. Our order number was 8784, and here's our document. If I click on document and preview, you'll see our invoice here. But what I want to show you is the GL audit. The GL audit will now show you debtors and creditors information. In other words, we've got our stock on hand, our VAT input, and our creditors control. Then you've got your stock on hand in your sales account, you've got your VAT output, and then your cost of sale, and also your debtors control. In other words, you've got your GRV information, and then your invoice information in one transaction. If we close this and we go to creditors inquiries, and we look at our specific creditor, I'll just say show all. Look at that, there's that GRV. If I now look at the GL audit, it's exactly the same. And if we look at document and preview, there is that specific document that we created using the agent transactions. And that concludes looking at the influence an agent transaction will have.